हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो एंड अ वेरी स्पेशल वीडियो बिकॉज बहुत सारे आपके कमेंट्स आते थे कि यू गाइस वांटेड टू सी सब्सक्राइबर के कलेक्शन का रिव्यू। और भाई साहब, ये बहुत ही एक मुश्किल टास्क होता है। I've done it earlier a couple of times, but that time it was easy, man. मुश्किल से 10-15 लोग होते थे. They used to send it over and things were not so difficult. However, this time I thought कि कैसे करूँ, पहले कैसे करूँ, इसको सोचने में काफ़ी टाइम गया. अभी right now I've got this album in front of me. This has got more than 150 photos, maybe a couple of duplicates in there. So recently I posted an Instagram story where I said कि अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं आपके कलेक्शन का रिव्यू करूँ, just click on the add yours option. और भाई you will not believe it, बहुत सारे, मतलब 150 प्लस एंट्रीज आई, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी एंट्रीज आई. Now here before starting I would like to apologize, अगर आप उसमें नहीं ऐड कर पाए थे add yours वाले सेक्शन में, you sent it to me otherwise in the form of an Instagram DM or something else, your picture might not be here today. बिकॉज वॉट हैपन्स इज कि जब आप एक स्टोरी चढ़ाते हो तो मैंने सबके स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिए हो, मेरे स्क्रीनशॉट्स की गैलरी में जाता है. आई कैन सॉर्ट इट आउट. नॉर्मली अगर आप मुझे किसी भी और तरीके से भेजते हो तो आई सेव इट फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम, राइट, एंड इट गोज इन टू माई कैमरा रोल. सो दैट इज लाइक extremely difficult to filter, and because of that what we'll do is we'll have a separate version for that. जितनी इंडिविजुअल एंट्रीज आई हैं इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप एक बार मुझे रिमाइंड कर देना, होपफुली नॉट टू मैनी. I'll do a separate one for you guys. Thank you so much for being patient and for being so supportive right now. You can see right here I've got all these in front of me, lots and lots of photos. So what I'll do is I'll quickly start off with the first one. First one is the legend himself, RRM Motor Hub. So if you know him, you already know him, and these are like big cars in his collection, man. 1:8 scale, 1:18 scale, and yeah, he's got a lot of these, and he's got like this one of the craziest displays, not just in India but in the world. So thank you so much, Ranbir bhai, for participating, and he was very quick. The moment I posted it, he just quickly added his. What I can see here, zoom करके I can see Ferrari. So yeah, this is just like his Ferrari वाला section. उसमें ही ये वीडियो आपकी चली जा रही है. आप इधर zoom करोगे ना, he's got G wagons and all, like crazy collection. So this is the first up. After this we've got House of Diecast. Now House of Diecast, I can see a couple of nice cars in this. If I just zoom in, I can see this Audi RS6 Avant. This is, I think, the 2023 mainline, this bottle green, dark green color. Then this is the Forza one, I think, from last year, Pop Culture, nice one. मैचबॉक्स की है शायद ये R8, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर. पिक्चर काफ़ी हेजी हो जाती है अगर आप वीडियो वगैरह डालते हो ना. ये शायद मुझे लग रही है निज़्मो वाली GT3 है, R35 जो पिछले साल आई थी. ये ऊपर शायद लिबर्टी वॉक वाली R35 है. सो नाइस कलेक्शन, रियली नाइस, गुड टू सी दिस. हाउस ऑफ डाइकास्ट का ये कुछ और गाड़ियाँ हैं यहाँ पे. ये गॉट द Mazda 787B. दिस इज द ब्रेल रेसर. दिस इज क्वाइट कूल. आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट न्यू वन, सिल्वेट सीरीज वाली. आई होप यू गाइज कैन सी माई माउस, क्योंकि मैं उससे ही पूरा ऐसे दिखा के कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज द गॉर्डन मरी इन 2 कलर्स, लास्ट ईयर जो आई थी, इस साल जो आई है. सो दिस इज क्वाइट कूल. आई थिंक इज गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ दीज. आई थिंक दिस इज द महिंद्रा ई रेसर. सो ये दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस, कूल. थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग. Some more, I can see some SUVs here, the Land Rover Defender. Then this is what the LC, I think, the premium one. This is that Pack-in Packer or something, which was like not at all popular. गजब की पैक वार्मर बनी थी ये, but good to see he got the set. Supra है ये, Supra है नई वाली, maybe from Nightburners. This is from the 56th anniversary. बढ़िया काफ़ी अच्छा कलेक्शन है भाई आपका, and love the way you have displayed it. After that, we've got Karthikeya himself. Is going to be a challenge because it's sideways, but then we check out, we've got Audi, then we've got GMA T50, new ones from this year. We've got the Mercedes, couple of those, couple of SF90s, then we've got a pair of Mustangs. ये कुछ एक imported card art premium है. BMW set, oh wow, nice. I think he's got 2 of these. Cool. Slide Street. So yeah, very nice collection. After that, we've got, first of all, let's have a look at the name. This is X Banner D, and what all has he shared? He shared a couple of nice ones from last year, the main lines. 96 Porsche Carrera. I love the color scheme on this one. This is so nice. The Bumblebee is amazing, bright yellow. This Hot Wheels bouquet, and that also with the Formula 1 5-pack. Good. We've got the Sesto Elemento, Pagani Utopia. Then from the Q case, I think, Q&A, Cybertruck and all. Very nice ones, and these are few from this year, right? The GMA F Raptor, we've got the keychain Porsche, very cool. India Car Guide, Nabil, so good to see your collection, brother. Up top, he's got a few 43 scale cars. Yeah, it's like really difficult to figure out which ones are those. I think one of them was an Opel, if he was telling me about it. After that, I can see a few nice ones. I can see the Cybertruck, I can see the Forza, the RS6, which came out last year, Pop Culture, the Ninja Turtles, then we've got the R33 Godzilla. Okay, wow, and this one, you guys remember I posted an unboxing video of this on my channel. This is that Abarth and Lancia Gulf set, dual car set, very cool. Then, oh, we've got the pair of GTRs last year, Pop Culture. Over here, we've got a Dakar, the Rallye, the Porsche Rallye peaking, because Hot Wheels does not have the license to call it Dakar. Barbie, Hot Wheels Premium, Batman's Hot Wheels Premium. Okay, then here we've got a Ferrari, we've got a Bugatti. This is the big scale. I think this is what 1:18, I think. Rivuelto, very nice. Miura, big scale. Assorted scales over here. This looks like a Kinsmart, man. This Avio, Huracan Avio kind of paint job did it, and they made a lot of these. These look like a few Kinsmarts. Couple of nice mainlines from last year. The Bugatti Bolide. Every time I say it, someone corrects me. LBWK, the old one, then and now. Sterato is very nice. Very nice collection. The P1, Sesto Elemento. Bugatti Chiron, okay, yeah, this one is super popular. And also this one, I also have this one, if you guys know about this. This is the M2 All Mahindra Thar, officially licensed model of the Thar. That is what makes this so special. And we've got a lot of these here also, man. He's got a great collection. This is what I think this is the Golden Huracan Super Trofeo, which was a part of the Card Art Premium series. Yeah, I remember. Optimus Prime, Barbie, Majorettes, I can see. Okay, this is that IWC Team Transport Mercedes. Very nice, very nice. Great collection, great collection. Loved it. Thank you for sharing. And okay, I did not focus on this. It's written the partial collection. Thanks for sharing partial, man. Could not do the full one. I've got so many more to do. It would have taken all day, but it's a great one. Loved zooming in. That's why I like this setup where I'm doing it. Gives me the ability to just pick out the nice little ones hidden there somewhere. Anurag Sahu, first of all, thanks for sharing, brother. और बहुत बढ़िया collection लग रहा है आपको. Wow, this looks like a STH. Man, this is cool. And the Celero is also a STH or what? भाई Celero का नाम है. Honestly बताओ मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. उसका color ऐसा purple जैसा है ना. I don't know. Even I have this it lying around somewhere. खुद मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है ढंग से. They got the Impala TH, which is nice, but cool. This is definitely the STH Huracan. Supra. पिछले साल की सारी अच्छी मेन लाइंस हैं. Very good. I can see pretty much all McLaren F1, ये A केस वाली जो R3223, Tesla, DeLorean TH, फिर ये आपकी जो अल्ट्रा हॉट्स आई थी. So yeah, very nice collection from last year. This one is first of all Hot Wheels India, okay, and he's shared the Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 car, the new one for 2025. So that's nice. Sean Nigade, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So he's also shared some nice ones. I am seeing that last year was a good hunting year for most of you guys. You got a lot of the nice ones. And the year before that also, because ये 2023 की है. ये जो येलो वाली है ना, I think it's a Gemera. ये 2023 की है. But इस साल भी भाई Formula 1 वाला 5 pack वगैरह मिल गया है, तो बढ़िया हंटिंग चली है. That's a nice Majorette. Looks like an Aventador. Some loose ones also. Gran Turismo की ये काफी अच्छी है card art. Then we've got the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. इसमें new for 2024 लिखा हुआ है और ये guaranteed for life भी लिखा हुआ है. So US card. Just trying to figure out the details as much as I can through this. Porsche 917 in the Majorette one. Cool. Very nice collection. Okay, wow. This is the Dynasty DS. दिख तो इसमें कुछ खास नहीं रहा है. I can see that yeah, he's tried to build something very similar what I have over here and I've got over there. The wall also looks similar and the display also very similar actually. I can see maybe what over here where my mouse is, maybe that is the Bugatti dual pack. I'm not really sure. I can just see colors, like the visibility is quite less. Here also I can see two Beetles. Maybe this is the other Aston Martin GT4. So this one came last year, this one came this year. Just trying to figure out what I can see from this. This looks like that cake wala birthday burner. Looks like that. It's very difficult. Instagram really ruined the quality of this one. This is what I think. Majorette. Yeah, Majorette also. Nice collection. It is so vague. Like my eyes are literally hurting trying to figure out which car is which. But thanks for sharing, man. Very good to see. This also really like this wooden display. He's got some loose ones in here. He shared a picture of himself also. Look, let's have a look at him. After this, we've got Ansh Chopra. Thank you, Ansh, for sharing. I can see a nice one. This is the golden Bumblebees, which came out in the Q case or something, if I remember. T3 Custom also came out in that case. This is a new one, the red Porsche. And this looks like a Lego garage kind of something. And this looks like a RC car, art car, which is an RC car. Few loose ones parked here. Okay, this one came out in 2023, that Porsche 911. Great collection. This also looks like an RC car, the Veneno. I'm not too big on RC, but I like it. मतलब दूसरे का मिल जाता है तो खेलने में तो मज़ा आता ही है. So let me know what do you guys think about it. Are you big on it or not? And I just realized one thing, that I can see a truck over here. I'm not sure which truck is that exactly. So if you guys can tell me, that will be great. This one is very cool. The Diecast Live, he shared it, and this one was one of the earlier submissions. As you can see, by that time only 13 people had done it. This is actually very cool. I'll actually maybe just show you guys on my phone, because yeah. So this is the picture which he sent me. So this is him with Smokey Nagata. So top secret, and I think the person behind that, he got it signed personally. So what you see over here, I'll just zoom in. This is the actual autograph over here also on the roof. So he got it signed, and he met him at Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. So this is him getting the car signed. So yeah, that's actually very cool. Love this, man. Love this. I can see some great ones behind you also, but great story behind this, and that is what makes these so special, and that is why these autographed ones, they have such high collector value. The Cricket Edits EXC, again some great ones from the last year. I can see the Yesco, two Yescos, I can see the GMA McLaren F1, the Cupra. Oh, the new Utopia. Oh, this one is cool. New Miura. Okay, so the new ones also very nice, very nice. Even the Bugatti, very cool. And some loose ones also. Loose ones are okay. This is an old Mustang, the chest one, and the Barbie one, the Aston Martin DB4 GT, the Ford. This is the Dodge Challenger, the Ford GT Mark IV. Nice, very nice. After that, we've got Advait Collects. He has shared some of his nice mini GTs. I can see this one. So this is the purple one, I think. Cooler something. Cooler Master, is it? Yeah, that one. This is the Dakar. This is what? The SVJ. Yeah, it's a very difficult angle for me. I literally have to do my neck all the way like this to look at it. And I can see a couple of nice Lambos, but very nice mini GT collection. Siddhant. So he has shared some of his main lines and even premiums, a couple of them in there. Very cool ones. He's got the Yesco. He's got the Pagani Huayra in a couple of colors. He's got the McLaren F1. I can see a couple of nice Porsches behind. After that, we've got Sukhinder Jindal. So big time RX-7 fan. Thank you for sharing, brother. And lots of RX-7s from all varieties. You can see maybe the blue one, it looks like a pop race. This one is definitely mini GT, then Hot Wheels, and yeah, just a lot of RX-7s. Let me know what you guys think about RX-7s. Do you like them? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Sid Tifosi. So as the name suggests, big time Ferrari guy. So he shared his Ferraris. Lots of nice ones over here. We've got the 458 Speciale. We've got the 488 Pista. Multi-scale collection also over here. I think this is the Tomica STO, the Tomica SVJ. So the Tomicas over here. I also have this. This is a Michelin hauler. I mean, I of course have I think this one also. This is the Zagato. But yeah, this one is very cool. I think this is what, the F40 Tomica Premium multi-scale. Very nice multi-scale garage. This looks like that Tarmac Works. Yeah, this looks like that Hot Wheels came long back. Boulevard series. So yeah, very nice collection. And you see the theme. It's like Ferrari and Mercedes, because yeah, he's got a connection with Mercedes also. Very nice. So Atul was very smart. He sent it. He manufactured his story in his private account, and he sent it to me like this. So I was able to show it to you guys. Job well done, Atul. And he's got what over here? We've got the RMZ City model. No, not RMZ. That is Veli. So we've got this Veli. I think maybe the Aventador. And over here we've got the Revuelto. We've got the Bugatti Mistral. Big scale. I'm liking that. We've got the 488 Pista. Maybe that is the Burago 1:24. Okay, this one is actually quite cool. This is a generic W123, but even my friend has it, and this is like the most commonly available W123 if you want to get it on a budget. Otherwise, you need to spend crazy amounts of money. मतलब नॉरे वगैरह के नीचे फिर बात मत करो, direct. And some nice Hot Wheels. I can see the Unimog over here. I can see the T3 Custom. So I can spot a couple of nice ones. Now we'll quickly move on to the rest, because अगर आप ये मेरी screen देख रहे हो ना पीछे, तो देख के लगता है कि I'm already shooting this at 2 a.m. at night. 5-6 बजेंगे सुबह के. GS Can V. So interesting name. Let's have a look at the cars. Sesto Elemento. Then we've got the Camaro, the custom Camaro. This is very nice. Then the pair of pop culture GTRs, McLaren Solus GT. Maybe the M3 from last year, Shelby Cobra, the Ford. This is what, the DeLorean Alpha. I'm not sure. And this looks like a Pontiac Aztec. So very nice collection. I can see very interesting ones. This Bolide, Utopia, cool ones. GS Canby has shared some more. Okay, he's using the keychain as a keychain. Must applaud that. And he's got this also, the art car. So he's buying what he likes. He's not really focusing only on the hyped ones. Just getting what he likes. That's also appreciated. Porsche 904. We've got a pair of Ford GTs, GMA, the TH from last year, the Supra. So very good. IX Nobody. My heart after buying this Porsche. So he shared the new, I think what, the L case pink Porsche. Nice one. Cloud Poster NP has shared, and this is also a lot of the ones from last year and the year before that, like this Mustang in the Falcon livery, that is from 2023. And I think this one also, the Lotus Emira. Yeah, cool. And I think this one also the RX-7. So yeah, he's been collecting for a couple of years and has got some good cars. Even this one is one of my favorites, the Aston in this Gulf. Very cool. Hot with Wines. Nice name. I can see a couple of the new premium Porsches, pop culture, very nice. Even this Jeep Wrangler Sahara is very good. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon, very nice. Cool combi, of course, it's a good one. Then a pair of nice McLarens, and this is a STH from what I can figure out. The paint looks to be super shiny. W1, F1. So yes, good McLaren trio, very good. Nice Audi trio also. Audi is also a STH, yeah. Looks like it. Yeah, definitely. Lambo normal hai, but also nice Lambo trio. He's got the Miura in a couple of colors, the Super Trofeo, Bugatti, the BMW 635, और the Ferrari trio. So nice. मतलब इस साल में भी जो आई हैं उसमें अच्छा ही कलेक्शन बना लिया है. ये भी the GMAs T33 and T50 Formula One. Very cool. Love it. Pransh has got a lot of nice loose ones, man. Thanks for sharing, and I love how the way you've displayed it. इधर ऐसा zoom करो तो McLaren इधर आपको ये पूरी McLaren मिलेंगी, right? You've got the Senna, I think last year 5 pack में आया था ना शायद ये मोटर शो या किसी में black. This one is very nice. क्या बढ़िया color है उसका, and the car in itself without the windshield, it is so cool. Recently I was just packing away. I've got this in the black color. After that ऊपर में Aston Martin. So he's got the Aston Martin also. Vulcan काफ़ी अच्छी. Valkyrie. उसके beyond क्या है? I think these look like Porsches. ये 904 लग रही है, ये 911 लग रही है. ये ऊपर Audis लग रही हैं, right? हाँ. Very nice. I love the way you've opened them, you've enjoyed them, and you've got a systematic display. Love it. Also, I'm just not sure if. Oh, this is a W Motors Lycan Hypersport, kya? Okay, now we'll move on to the second row. Hot Wheels Dude. Okay, I can see some nice ones. This is from what, Terra Track, I think the set was called. The Jeep Gladiator. We've got this Volkswagen Golf Mark 7. We've got the Samba Bus. We've got Paul Walker's Supra. We've got Honda Civic Custom, is it? Japan Historics. Yeah, got one myself. A pair of Land Cruisers. This looks like that Speed Graphics wali Range Rover. Very nice. Castrol. Cool ones. Even this BMW is very nice. Matchbox also I can see. What the Mustang. Cool. Very nice. Then this is, I think, from Japan. Ko Akagawa. And what a beautiful collection, brother. Love the fact that you have just displayed them color wise. You've opened them up. This looks like the Tomica Diablo with the opening doors. Very nice. I think these color coordinated displays, they have a very big charm to them, and especially when you display it like this. Of course, it's a little difficult to zoom in, but love the way you've displayed it, and I just zoomed in, I saw a couple of them, and the collection looks to be quite great in itself. After that, we've got the Rep Norovar. Here we've got what, the Mini GT Blister Supra, the new one, top secret. Then we've got the old Supra 2023. This also had an STH variant. DMC DeLorean old one, Porsche 911, Jeep J70 from, this is the 57th anniversary, the Supra from 56th anniversary, Silver Series Toyota trucks. And we've got the McLaren Speedtail SF90. Also, I can see the Nevera. So this is one of my favorite mainlines. Very nice. Ruthvik had sent me a message. Okay, so this is Puneri Billa. Interesting name. I love the name. And I can see a lot of these big scale oldies. Viper, this Lancer. And this also I think is his only. Some great bikes also. And what is over here? More bikes. Okay, wow. So Ford GT, GTR, little, yeah, I mean, these are like the proper toys, you know, the way you just keep them, it shows. And then I can see some nice mainlines also. You've got the purple Hummer EV, grey Ford Bronco, the Mustang Funny Car. Then you've got the pink, this Matchbox Mini. So interesting collection, diverse, very diverse. Mind Freak NJ, lots of cars, man. I can see a lot of mainlines. This one, this bug looks super cool. Then we've got this van, the art car, that is nice. Then you've got this flower delivery. This is the TH, last year M case, I think. This is what, Dark Horse, also very good. One of the better castings from last year. Also this one, the R33. So yeah, last year I'm realizing everyone had a great time hunting. RSK 17125. So first of all, he's got that tire display. I love the display, bro. So first of all, congratulations on that. And then I can see some great ones like this Paul Walker Supra, and over here also this looks like a nice truck. I wonder which one it is. This I know what it is. This is that Nissan 5-pack R32, and this is the fair lady from that. Few of them I can recognize. And then over here you've got the Shelby Cobra Daytona. The, what is this called? Celerio GT. A Porsche. So yeah, good ones. Great. And love the display. Very neat. Leo Hurum. Let's have a look at this. I love this. These two are all I need to see. The Fast and Furious ones, nice ones. R34, Lancer Evo. This also has got a dark color in it. Looks like a STH. The 904 GT, the Ford, the Porsche 904 Carrera GT, the Mazda 787B, the Supra, and then there's the Project 7. So all of them great cars. Suleiman Sheikh. I'm hoping I'm saying the name right. Okay, Protector में रखी है SF90. Good decision. And then you've got this RS6 Avant in this dark green color. Then you've got the Honda Civic Type R. Then after that, you've got the GMA T50S, the Sterato. Then from this year, you've got this Land Rover Double Cab. And from this year, you've got the Borla Ford GT. So great collection. Small but classy. Chasing treasures. I think it's Ronak Fatnani. He has shared something. So I can see a couple of nice ones here. He's got a very, he seems to be a Bugatti lover. He's got the EB110. He's got the Veyron, then he's got the dual pack Veyron and Chiron. Then he's got another Chiron, another Chiron, another Chiron. So okay, big time Bugatti guy. Okay, one more Chiron looks like. Then he's got the EB110. Okay, very nice, very nice. Good to see, man. Great to see. This is what I talk about streamlining, and I think he's very young. So from a great young age, he's realizing that okay, I like this, and already see maybe if you're collecting 1, 2, 3, you don't realize it at that point of time. But right now, when I am seeing his collection, I'm realizing, oh my god, so many Bugattis. So that really makes your collection stand out because see, this is imported. This is the Veyron card art, never really came here. This one also Hammer Drop never really came. The dual pack never really came. So he saved on other places and he invested there. Good job, I really like it. Then the regular main lines, I'm not really going to bother too much because the Bugatti collection is nice. This is a chase piece, so this chase is good. ADIYZF46, not really sure how to say that. And thanks for sharing. I love these blue ones. I love the Alpha, I love the Tesla. This Raptor also super nice. Zinger 21C, very underrated. And over here, yeah, we've got, I think it's the same one or maybe a little, yeah, maybe same only. Hot Wheels Collector 007, so the Formula 1 5-pack, very nice. He's also put it up on his wall, so I really like how people are doing it these days. I think it's a great initiative. Really makes your room pop. And I can see some good ones. This looks like an Audi. This looks like the Continental, the Lincoln from 2023 Q case. This is the Sterato, Porsche 904. So great collection and love the way you've displayed it. Over here also I can see this cool combi, the bike set very underrated. Then over here you've got this, you've got the Ultra Hots, so very nice. So this side. Thanks for sharing, bro. Very blurry picture, but yes, I can see very nice McLarens. You've got the F1, P1. You've got what is this bar? Yeah, this one is beyond me. It looks like a 720S or something because I remember it came out in this white color. Was it the 720? This is the Senna. This is the Solus GT. Then you've got Fords here. So I love that. See, this is all about how you place your cars and everything. That it's not very clear. It's very hazy. But when you zoom in, you realize that okay, there's a theme. Like you've got a pair of Astons over here, you've got a pair of Fords over here. So those are things which I really appreciate when I look at others' collections. Atharva photographer, my god, he's got a great one, and he's got the latest ones also, the King Kuda and the new, what is this, the Plymouth Superbird, the Kia EV6 and the Honda Civic Custom. So yeah, very nice new ones. This is by My Lit Collection. My Lit Collection, okay, CCA. I'm seeing this brand after a long time. Really good to see the premiums, Pop Race, Tomica Premium, Mini GT. So good to see this diversification, and he's got one of those wooden displays. Very nice, and I think it's with the shutter, so it really protects your car from the dust. Okay, I can see nice ones from last year. The Silverado, not sure if this is the TH, but this had a TH. This is an old one, but it's nice. This also, I'm not really sure. This has come out like a million times. This R34. Audi looks good. These red ones, they look nice. DeLorean looks nice, very good. After that, we've got Diecast Wonder. He's also put his cars up against the wall and love it. He's got a red trio. When I was when I had not zoomed in, I thought, okay, those look like 3 Ferraris, but that doesn't look like the third Ferrari which has actually come out this year in red, the 365 GTB4. And then I love it that when I zoom in, I realize he's done a bit of trickery over here. Just put the red Lambo. So the shape is also very sleek, and yeah, it's a nice way to put your collection. These black ones, the Miura and the BMW. Okay, so he's got this. This is very nice. I love this. The Porsche dual pack. I'd asked one guy to get it from me. He didn't get it only. So yeah, I don't think I'm getting that anytime soon. Nice, Acha. He's got a row for THs over here. I've also done that in my collection. I can see there's the Porsche, the Supervan, Leaf, Chevrolet. I don't have a single Chevrolet by now. I don't know how, but that was not in my luck. I've just not found it somehow. Fusion frames. Okay, good to see this collection. What is this? Bugatti, Toyota Supra, R32. I can see a lot of multiples. This is what the Mercedes, I think. The GMA, the Gordon Murray Automotive. Here we've got a pair of, acha, we've got this one also, the new M case, the Peugeot, Utopia also. So yeah, nice latest ones. Couple of Jescos last year, this year. Nice, very nice, very nice. Ryan KRZR. Not sure how to pronounce the name, but I'll definitely like to give this guy a double thumbs up. He shared his photography and great shots, great editing. I've rarely seen something like this, so just keep going at it, man. I really love the creativity, and this is a very big aspect of collecting for me, that I love creating something with my cars, so love it. Ranjit's Voyage has shared, okay, this looks interesting. I'm just trying to show you guys the interesting ones from everyone's collection. It gets a little difficult to, just have a look at all of them. Everything is so similar. This is a Porsche 944 Turbo. Okay, so this is nice. Card Art Premium. McLaren W1 maybe imported, and then he's got this. This also looks imported. The pink one came here. The blue one, I don't think it did. And a couple of premiums. Nice. Rachit 30 has shared some silver series. The Jaguar is very nice and heavy. This one from the National Icon set. And a pair of TH treasure hunts. Very cool. Streethunters.in. Oh god. My neck is not really going to be straight tomorrow morning. The worst part is I can barely just figure out what is here. That looks like a Tomica box on which something is kept. Not sure what. This also just pixelates when I zoom in on it. So I mean, I'm at my wit's end what to review this collection. This looks like a big scale. This is what the new Royal Enfield, the Senti collab. Not sure at all. This looks like what, a Mini Cooper, a convertible Mini Cooper. So that's nice. Big scale. This looks like a Beetle. A good collection, and more importantly, I like how you've used these DIY kind of setups to just make your collection stand out in your room. I love that. One more on the wall. So yeah, really good to see this catching up. Over here, this is that, I think, Volvo Gasser. This is that Pajero Evo. First, I'll tell you the name. Daito Collections. Ultra Hots, again from last year, mainlines. Okay, so a couple of nice rigs, trucks. Optimus Prime and a couple of other ones also. Last year's Pop Culture. Actually, this is Fast and Furious, and this one is from this year. So nice ones. And Majorates also. So good. Loose collection. So loose collection looks nice. This is what that new premium Grumman F14 Tomcat. This looks like the Tomica GTR R35 with the opening doors. This is what I think Majorette Mustang, which came in a tin box, and some other cool ones. So this is कुलदीप जैन चोरदिया डाइकास्ट झारखंड झारखंड से वो मीम दिमाग में आ जाता है कि झारखंड को देन आई थिंक वी गॉट अ नाइस वन ओके सो या दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग राइट दिस इज द इकोनो लाइन सो दिस इज वेरी कूल एंड आई लव हाउ इज जस्ट पुट इट इन द मिडल ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो चलेगा इधर मेल लाइंस भी डाली हुई हैं बीच में वो भी डाला हुआ है आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट एनिमे सो इसके बारे में मुझे बिल्कुल भी कोई आइडिया नहीं है दिस इज व्हाट द अगेरा एंड द अगेरा इज एक्चुअली अ नाइस वन या एंड दिस इज दैट हुनीगन गैसर इन मैट ग्रे नाडो ग्रे उस टाइम पे ये कलर उतना पॉपुलर नहीं था जब ये आई थी गुड वंस आई लाइक इट ये भी काफी पुरानी है 918 917 बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया नाउ विल गो दिस वे okay so my diecast diaries first of all thanks for sharing muscle car lover it seems they've got a okay so the first responders kind of cars he's got fire department sheriff police patrol muscle cars big truck this is the art car so yeah very nice collection love this the design on this is very cool Ganesh Shan Bagh first of all thanks so much man he's been so supportive all along and now I can just zoom in and see his collection I can see this the last year's Pop Culture I can see this from the Nissan 5 pack I can see the Bumblebee in 2 colors I can see the Aston Martin Super Trofeo another Super Trofeo so an old collector these are the things which I notice whenever I'm looking at anyone's collections that if he's got an old Super Trofeo opened I am sure he got it when it was new because you don't really buy these second hand and open them McLaren Solus, Gordon Murray, Sterato, Porsche 904. So last year's mainlines are there. BJ Collections, another very big heavy hitter. The legend. Thank you so much for sharing. And this is his man cave. So yeah, he's got a lot of stuff in it. I mean, he's just shared it. I can just show it to you. Zoom in and show it to you like this. We'll definitely have to do a detailed one on this later. Rayan, he shared some more. He shared his mini GTs. He shared his. Okay, the character cars. Love this. Old ones. These came to India actually. First ever Boulevard, you see this number 3. So this was 125 Boulevard and that actually came to India officially. So it's good to see that. These also came to India. I've also got these right here in front of me. These were the 50th anniversary specials. They came with a special coin. Okay, this one also, I think, in fact, the funny thing about this is that you see that tiny shell collab. I've got this right here in front of me. So that I think is the Porsche 911 and this I think is the Porsche 962. I've not opened this so far, so maybe I'll do it soon. But also I like that he's got the Kyosho Lamborghini Miura. He's got a street weapon. He's got a few pop races over here. He's got the McLaren F1, Shelby, more mini GTs, couple of trucks also here. Tarmac Works. So yeah, love it. Diecast Wonder. Okay, yeah, he's the same guy who had put these 3 red cars together. So we've done that. Sci-fi.in. Yeah, just a trailer. The trailer is a nice one. Looks like you're a big time Fast and Furious fan and you've got some good ones. You've got the white Supra, you've got the 5 pack, you've got this, you've got Ford Victoria 1956. So this one is actually what? Is it Mattel or is it Jada? I'm not sure. But yeah, it's nice. R33, very nice. The pink S2000, also cool. Chrome and Spoke, to see you brother and great collection. Lots of these haulers and all and great display. Lovely. And he shared more of it. So yeah, this is a close-up look. You just check it out the way it's been displayed. Such amazing ones. And you check out the trucks. You've got Gulf. You've got Alfa Romeo. Then we've got Gearhead over here. Kedar, great guy. He's got a great collection. I've actually done a video when I was meeting him in Mumbai. But the thing is that he's got a couple of very nice ones. I'll just show it to you guys like I showed you the other one. I'll just open it on my phone and show it to you because. So this is what he sent me. This is his 1:18 scale Burago F40 more. Then this is, I think, an Auto World Cadillac. Then this is this one which is just shown. This is an IVY Rolls Royce in purple. This is, I think, Maestro, the Maestro Rivuelto and the Countach. So yeah, these two. The Ford GT, I think Solido maybe. And then the crown jewels of his collection, 1:18 scale. These are the Rexy and the Roxy. That's nice. That's like really nice. Thrasher rims, Rutvik, so good to see you, man. So good to see you, and I love how much your collection has grown over the years. Like it's just rocketed. Yeah, we got the Devo, and I love the theme in this. You know, all hypercars, supercars, and you've got the oddball Mustang. But apart from that, you check out Bugatti, Pagani, yeah, just CLK, Agera. I think it's the 1:1. I'm not sure. The Koenigsegg. We got the Jesco, pair of Kaidos. So yeah, great premium collection. ADS diecast cars. So they've got a very nice store and close friends. So you can see interesting ones. Most of these are 1:18 scale G wagons in multiple colors. Then you've got the Taycan. That is actually the Cross Turismo. You've got the Bronco. So yeah, nice one. All about clicks. Yeah, Ronit, another great guy, and he's got this collection. You check it out. He's got boats. The BMW XM, 1:24 scale, I think. Yeah, interesting 24 scale ones. He's got the Audi R8, the Formula One car, then Land Rover Defender, then some nice Hot Wheels also. Regular one, I think, the Pajero. F1, Bugatti, yeah, so great ones from last year. Diecast DB, thanks for sharing, man. And I can see good ones. I can see the Bugatti, I can see the Cyberpunk Porsche. It's good to see that you're opening up your models, and this looks like a mini GT, so that is also more interesting that he's keeping all of them in the same thing. I might be wrong, but yeah, these look like mini GT. That is actually quite nice. Diecast DB has shared one more. He's got this diorama, Lambo diorama, in which he's kept this. These look like the mini GTs. Yeah, definitely. Great collection. Oh, he's got a Shell one also, and this is, he's got more mini GTs kept. He's got the BMW, he's got the Porsche Dakar. Then I think this one is the Hot Wheels Premium, right? And also another Hot Wheels Premium, looks like it, from the Deutschland design, that red C63 AMG Black Series. A Lambo dealership, Lamborghini Sian, Urus Performante. We've got a Countach back here, so yeah, nice ones. Now, who was this person? Because he has shared, but I can't see his name. I'm not sure. But anyway, thanks for sharing. I can see some good ones like this Tesla Roadster, love it. SS Matchbox has shared Kaido houses, lots and lots of R34 GTRs, and the odd NSX, yeah, the Hornet and all, some good ones, some highly sought after Kaidos, R34s. NM Makit collection. Okay. Fast and Furious fan, big time. Lots of international entries also here. We've got Pai Haup or Minachuras. Yeah, great collection, man. I can see some good ones in here. Little difficult to zoom in and actually comment on these, but yeah, it looks like a solid collection from your childhood. Keston 17 JOD. Ooh, another STH. Lots of these STHs floating around. He's kept this also at the top. I'm not really sure if it's the STH. I'm not very good at recognizing this one. The Rallier is nice. The Reventon is nice. Over here, what do we have? The new Formula One car. Okay, good. Nice. New and old mainlines. The Porsche TH. So very good ones. Then we've got Brahman da Chhora. Little favorites. Good favorites, man. The Porsche TH, R33 Godzilla, SF NSX in white, good ones. Throttle Hub has shared this, and they've got a great collection. Oh my god, yeah, I can see that. Lancer, these look like premium. We've got a few Porsches, Bentley, McLaren, one more Bentley, Mercedes, Veneno, Sesto Elemento. Yeah, so it's a great collection. I'm not really sure about the manufacturer and the scale and all, because it gets a little difficult when you zoom and you are not really able to pick it up. But whatever these are, some great cars and a very themed collection. The name is Robin. First of all, thanks for all your support, brother, and good to see you posting here. You've got the GMA, then you've got the Forza RS6 from last year, you've got the Neon Speeder, you've got the Corvette from 56th anniversary, 57th anniversary actually. What is this? The M2. Mustang, Outlaw from Ultra Hots. So good ones. Creo UCLA has shared his collection, in which he's got a lot of collectibles from UCLA and also the odd diecast one. This looks like that old Land Cruiser. Then over here, what do we have here? This is a BMW. We've got a Porsche. And then over here we've got a very nice, these acrylic cased dioramas in which the dust also does not go inside, and whenever you want to take photos, just pick it up and take photos. I love these are very popular abroad, and I can see this looks like a Subaru. So yeah, good one. Diecast Monsoor, he's got this Hot Wheels Premium Scooby-Doo van. Oh, and he's got 3 of these Tanner Fox Porsches. Someone was asking about it recently, and he's written just a trailer. Shell V-Power also, I can see. What is it? I'm not really sure. More Porsches here. Cool combis, lots of cool combis. So yeah, nice, interesting collection. Fast and Furious 5 pack. It's nil. Yeah, has shared. I love the box which you are using to store your cars, and this happens to me also. I've shared it in my videos also that ये जो बड़ी वाली गाड़ियाँ होती हैं ना, they don't go like this. They go like this. So yeah, that's nice. You've got the RX-7. This looks like the Maserati Shamal, Ford GT, Bugatti Miura. Very nice, great ones. One Edge cars, also some great main lines from last year, including the Cybertruck and the Bumblebee. Again, I've lost track of whose post it is. Okay, this is OG Garage 13. I can see this Panamera. Great one, man. Really good to see this. What a wonderful collection and loose collection meant to be played with. FC Addicts. So he's got the Ferrari F40, he's got the Porsche 5 pack. Not really sure if it's the 5 pack. What exactly is that? I'm not really sure. Then he's got the Miura, he's got the Viper, and he's got the Speedtail. So good ones. Auto Realistic. Okay, yeah, this is such an underrated casting. I've not really seen it in too many of these, and this was one of my favorite castings from last year. This is the Drag Merc. So yeah, it's really good to see this, and great collection overall, but this one is definitely my favorite. Auto Realistic. Cool. Okay, and this one, he shared his favorite also. So I shared my favorite, he shared his favorite. Sorry for the dirty card, this is my favorite. It's actually a very good one. Love the detailing on this. In fact, this is so good that we actually gave away one of these framed in our last giveaway. So yeah, that's very nice. Shreyash Dikshit has shared his. This is, I think, the 5 pack. Yeah, this is from the 5 pack. The Aston Martin and the Acura and the McLaren Senna. But great one. It was a great 5 pack to have. Monica0087. I just spoke about the 5 pack. He has shared this 5 pack. This is the HW Motor Show. Then we've got the Audi and a few other very nice main lines like this DeLorean Alpha 5. This is also a little underrated. I've not really seen too many of these. Miata also very nice. Tesla Roadster is quite good. Then over here we've got a pair of premiums, the Porsche, the R35 Nismo, and then the new one from the M case, the Hypercar. Oh wow, and he's got a 7 years ago opened treasure hunt, and this is not the regular TH, this is the STH. So great one, and it's great to see that even after opening it's in such good shape. Obviously there is a bit of loss of paint over here, but that shows that it's been played with. And can you imagine, like in a world where people are just preserving it, thinking that the card is not enough, we need to add a blister, we need to add a protector, and just opening and playing with it. Nice. Maybe he did not know back then, but this is what it looks like right now. Faiz Sharif has shared his Porsches, so yeah, he's got a great collection over here. Some of the nice new ones, the Roxy, Inno 64 is nice, one model is nice, Motor Helix is nice, wonder what's inside those, we'll have a look later. This is one of my recent favorites from Mini GT. The box, the paint of the car, it is so good. It really makes you wonder if you want to wait and spend so much on RLCs, because the level of paint, if you're buying the RLCs and all these expensive models for the paint, then the paint is getting dangerously close to the nice ones. Vivan1417, thanks for sharing, bro. I can see some nice ones played with cars over here. My knowledge is a little weak in this, so I don't really know too much. Maybe I can just appreciate this. This is the LBWK Sky Blue tuned car. And also this looks like a Rolls-Royce miniature. Nice. Amu Auto Art, great artist and great to see your collection growing, buddy. You've got a very nice Tarmac trio over here with a couple of nice pop races. BBR, one of the most popular Ferraris by BBR, the red and yellow. I've just seen it with so many of my friends. I don't have it. And then we've got the Dakar, we've got the Bugatti, we've got I think this is a Pagani. The new LBWK Countach, I have to make a video on that. I'm just postponing it. I'll be posting it in a couple of days. And we've got a few more, the F1 GTR, few Lambos, the Supra in Martini. Very nice. Archit, so good to see your collection, bhai, and good to see कि close friends में डाला है. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा इज्जत लगता है जब कोई close friends में डालता है तो. This is such a great one, and SF90. So that's an 18 scale car, and you don't really get it everywhere. इसलिए वो color थोड़ा unique लगेगा. The Mini GT, very nice, love this. This is, I think, the Tarmac SLS Black Series. This is the Revuelto in bigger scale. ये Ciaz है मारुति Ciaz, because he owns one of those in real life. तो वो एक काफ़ी बढ़िया मतलब मॉडल है इंडियन कार्स का, अगर आपको शौक है तो उसके हिसाब से ये वाला भी काफ़ी बढ़िया है. I'm not really sure which one it is, maybe LCD, I don't know. And this one also, see the 1:43 scale in that acrylic box, उसकी पक्का कोई तो कहानी होगी. Defender भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. I think it looks like Tarmac Works. Legos, couple of Legos also over there. That's pretty much it. I can see a couple of other ones. This is the Tarmac Works Dubai Police G-Wagon. इसकी भी रिव्यू आपको मेरे पेज पे मिलेगी कहीं ना कहीं. Amu Auto Art done. Mini Metal Machines, the new Porsche from the National Icon set, and then the new ones. We've got the Bugatti, we've got the Land Rover, we've got the Mercedes AMG Petronas. This might be a Majorette, the Pink Pig, the last year 787B, R33, Bugatti, Utopia, F1. So good ones. Prakhar 01, okay, some good ones from last year, as I said earlier. A lot of these from last year. We've got the Camaro, we've got this, the 56th anniversary, we've got the RS6. Khan Ali Ahmed, काफ़ी थोड़ा मतलब एक अलग सा यूनिक सा कलेक्शन है. स्टार्स एंड स्ट्राइप्स की अभी तक एक भी गाड़ी नहीं देखी थी, वो देख के अच्छा लगा. एंड लुक एट दिस इज हाउ ही हैज स्टक हिज कार्स टू द वॉल. तो ये भी एक तरीका होता है। जैसे मैंने तो अपना डायरेक्टली दीवार में मार दिया है, इन्होंने ऐसा लगाया है। वन मोर वॉल डिस्प्ले ऑल्सो। नीचे कुछ आपकी ये जो लाइटिंग मक्वीन वाली कार्स होती हैं, स्लाइड स्ट्रीट की है, इंपोर्टेड प्रॉबली। यू गॉट दिस वुडन डिस्प्ले ऑल्सो, सो वेरी नाइस। देन यू गॉट OX रोलेक्स 21, एस्टन मार्टिन जेम्स बॉन्ड वाली। देन आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर विच वन इज दिस, ये खुद से टिंट किया या कैसे। दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स नाइस। ये RS6 भी काफ़ी मैं देख रहा हूँ, काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने RS6 पोस्ट किया है। ये FJ क्रूजर मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है। सम ओल्ड, दिस इज द लोटस एस्प्री, दिस इज द पोर्शा एवेंटेडर। वो शायद बड़ा स्केल है, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर, बट बड़ा लग रहा है। किनस्मार्ट टाइप, किनस्मार्ट। काजी हनान, ओके, ही इज गॉट दैट ट्रक। ये ट्रक भी बहुत दिनों बाद देख रहा हूँ। आई एम सीइंग दिस ट्रक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम। यू नो दिस ट्रक मेटल यूज टू मार्केट इट इन इंडिया लाइक क्रेजी, कि भाई ये ट्रक बहुत तगड़ी चीज़ है, ले लो इसको। इस मतलब मैं आपको बताऊँ, मैंने थोड़ा इस वजह से भी नहीं लिया था, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे इसमें गाड़ियाँ डालते जाओ ना, जैसे इनके पास पीछे एक दीवार का सपोर्ट है, तो अगर उसको आप ऐसे टिका के रखोगे तो ठीक है, बट अगर ऐसे बीचों बीच रखोगे तो ट्रक उन्होंने थोड़ा प्लास्टिक का बना दिया था और बाकी उन्होंने गाड़ियाँ मेटल की बना दी थी, तो कभी कभी वो पलट भी जाता था। बट आई लाइक इट। एंड ही इज गॉट सम मॉन्स्टर ट्रक्स ऑल्सो, तो ये भी नया, वेरी गुड। ग्रू मोबिल आई कैन सी जूम करके। सो यस, आई लव दिस कि ऐसे मतलब किसी का कलेक्शन देखो कुछ ऐसा अलग देखने को मिले, नहीं तो सबके कलेक्शन में वही एक ही चीज़ सबके कलेक्शन में देखने को मिलती है। इट्स तेजस, ब्रिलियंट। पहले इनको मैंने बोला था, ये भेज नहीं पा रहे थे, तो मैंने बोला था आप अपना नाम डाल के मेरे को भेज दो। बाद में इन्होंने देखो स्टोरी में भी डाल दिया था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लकीली आई एम एबल टू फीचर हिम टुडे। इज गॉट अ पेयर ऑफ वेरी नाइस ऑफ दिस ब्लू बुगाटीज। तो ये वाली जो थी, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक कलर्स फॉर द बुगाटी, ये इसकी एक खासियत रही है। बाद में ये दो और कलर में आई है, येलो एंड रेड, बट ये जो ब्लू एंड ब्लैक वाला जो लॉन्च कलर आप कह सकते हो, वो बहुत खास था। गुड वंस फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर अगेन। अब भाई मैं लास्ट ईयर वाली तो मैं एक बार और नहीं देख सकता हूँ, सबके कलेक्शन में 90% वही देखने को मिल रही है, विच इज़ गुड दैट एवरीवन गॉट इट। बट रिव्यू के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो थोड़ा, मतलब यू ऑलरेडी नो माई व्यूज अबाउट इट कि आई लाइक इट। तो जैसे इनके में भी आप देखो TH है, बोन शेकर है, यूटोपिया है, येस्को है, डकार है, जोंडा है, तो वही। बाकी जो अच्छे वाले हैं थोड़ा ये दिखा देता हूँ। मैजोरेट मुझे कोई दिखी थी, मैजोरेट है, चेज है शायद यहाँ पे। वो अब Fiat 500 थी ना चेज वाली, वो है ये। इसका चेज है 56 एनिवर्सरी का, फॉर्मूला 1 का 5 पैक है, मैक्लारेन सेना है, तो सारी अच्छी अच्छी वाली चूज करके डाली है। मिस्टर सायराज, वेरी नाइस। ओके, द न्यू मेन लाइन्स, इज गॉट SF90, इज गॉट द म्यूरा, इज गॉट नई वाली में तो यही दिख रही है। बाकी फिर ये शायद डॉज कोरोनेट नहीं है, फिर वही है अपनी सुपरा है, R32 है, BMW की जो वैगन है वो है, निसान लीफ इस साल की TH है, तो दैट इज नाइस। फैज शरीफ, गुड टू सी यू बैक ब्रदर, ग्रेट ग्रेट। He's got 2 of those Ferraris. बहुत सारे DMs आने वाले हैं भाई इसके बाद आपको, मतलब everyone is going to ask you for those. Toyota Supra है। I never really understood कि ये मतलब Hot Wheels और Fast and Furious के कोलैबोरेशन में क्या चला उनके दिमाग में, कि मतलब सारी गाड़ियाँ जब बना दी तो ब्रायन की जो मतलब सुपरा की लिवरी है उसमें R34 बना रहे हैं, R34 की लिवरी में सुपरा बना रहे हैं, बट somehow it's popular that also. Bugatti Chiron भी है, so this is one thing which I like. Lamborghini Huracan, this Liberty Walk 1, super silhouette, 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and we've got the Land Rover Defender 110 also. After that we've got this is Calm Cancerian, so good to see this. Green light की है Ford GT, and he's mentioned that this is less than 1/4. वी अंडरस्टैंड, वो होता है भाई, जब ज़्यादा आपके पास गाड़ियाँ हो तो एक जगह पे रहती नहीं है, वो थोड़ा डिस्प्ले करने में दिक्कत हो जाती है। बट ओके, आई कैन सी व्हाट इज दिस, 1:24 स्केल में भी, 1:43 स्केल के कंपैरिजन में 24 ही लग रहा है, बट हाँ, नाइस टॉमिका ट्रक विद द बोट एंड ऑल। ये वाली तो ऊपर वाली तो कौन सी है, इनो है ना शायद, हाँ इनो की F40 है, ऊपर में BBR की है फरारी। आई सेड ना कि भाई ये वाली फरारी है पॉपुलर, आई थिंक इट वाज द फर्स्ट रिलीज या क्या था, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर, बट वो गजब पॉपुलर है, बहुत सारे लोगों के पास देखी है मैंने ये वाली। माइक्रो मोटर वोल्ट, ग्रेट डिस्प्ले मैन, लव द डिस्प्ले एंड लव द कार्स इन दिस। सबसे पहले वही अपनी वो फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस वाली दो सामने नजर आ रही हैं, उसके बाद दिस इज द महिंद्रा रेसिंग, आई थिंक ये वाली आपकी एस्टन लग रही है 177 या वैसा कुछ। दिस इज आई डोंट नो, मे बी द रिवेंटन। दिस वन इज दैट हीरो हाटा मर्क और समथिंग। बैटमैन वाली इधर डिस्प्ले कर रखी है, ग्रेट कलेक्शन, लव द टॉमिकाज ऑल्सो, वंडरफुल कलेक्शन एंड लव द डिस्प्ले, वेरी वाइब्रेंट। डिजीज वर्कशॉप, दिस इज आई थिंक फ्रॉम स्लाइड स्ट्रीट, राइट, ये स्लाइड स्ट्रीट वाली हैं। दीज आर द AE86s। मयूर घोष आई थिंक इज वन ऑफ माई सब्सक्राइबर्स, उसको बहुत पसंद है AE86। बार बार वो मुझसे कहता था कि प्लीज़ आप डालो AE86 की वीडियो। मैं बार बार समझाता था कि भाई मेरे पास गिन के 2 होंगी, मैं क्या उस पर वीडियो बनाऊँ। दिस इज वॉट दिस लुक लाइक, दिस टोयोटा बिग SUVs, दिस लुक्स लाइक, वो आप शेप देखोगे ना, ये आपका वो 4Runner वाला जैसा लग रहा है। या सो वेरी नाइस, इंटरेस्टिंग कलेक्शन। दिस वन ऑल्सो, दिस वन सुपरा, गजब। वो एंगल ऐसा है ना कि थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, बट ठीक है, मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग। आई थिंक माइक्रो मोटर वर्ल्ड की एक और फोटो है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कलेक्शन। Okay, wow, this one I think I showed it to you guys. हाल में मैंने मंगाया था। So this is the Blue Wonder truck with the 300 SL, very nice. And this is a box set, the Silver Series box set, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। यहाँ पे बॉक्स में कुछ गाड़ियाँ रख रखी हैं। ये क्या चेज है क्या? ये looks like a chase, very nice. Green light और ऑटो वर्ल्ड की जो बड़ी बड़ी कास्टिंग्स आती हैं वैसी लग रही हैं। Okay, here we've got a Majorette, Mercedes G-Wagon. This also I can see the 240 SX dual pack. Fox to do garage. Wonderful collection, brilliant, and as I said, I love these जहाँ पे लोग अपना systematically arrange करके रखते हैं. You check this out. Lambos में भी कुंटास पेस कार उसके बाद फिर आपकी रिवेंटन उसके बाद आपकी एवेंटर वेनेनो ऐसे करके. Porsche में भी ये देखो पैनामेरा एक साथ, ये वल्कन एक साथ, कैडिलैक है ये मिसाइड असॉर्टेड टाइप का कर दिया होगा क्योंकि भाई अमेरिकन कार्स वगैरह ऐसे टून्ड वाली है यहाँ पे, टून्ड एक साथ हैं सारी. दिस इज व्हाट नाउ, दिस इज गेटिंग अ लिटिल टू वेग, बट हाँ बहुत ज़बरदस्त. मिनी जीटी भी है, मिनी जीटी ऊपर काफ़ी अच्छी हैं. ये व्हाट द एयरपोर्ट वाली लग रही है, ये एयरपोर्ट वाली है. उसके बाद तो मुश्किल हो रहा है थोड़ा, वो जूम करने पर थोड़ी क्वालिटी जा रही है, उस मामले में इंस्टाग्राम बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. निखिल छेड़ा, आपका कलेक्शन भाई बहुत शानदार. वही लास्ट ईयर के जो बेस्ट हैं वो सारे ही आपको मिले हैं. आई कैन सी दिस वन, लाइक दिस इज एक्चुअली ए केस फ्रॉम दिस ईयर, बट हाँ T3 कस्टम बहुत अच्छे हैं. अमेजिंग कार्स. Aryan 741A, so he's also got the nice ones from last year. Dark Horse, Bugatti, Alfa Romeo, Dakar सब है. Diljit has got a great collection man, but just a little difficult to look at it, but उतना भी नहीं है. जैसे देखो नीचे जो इसका ये बड़ा वाला ट्रक है ना, I remember having this K&N livery में. This is quite nice. Then this is what the new M3 which came out last year. ये दो वाली कौन सी है? मे बी इट्स द कॉन्टिनेंटल GT बेंटले. दिस इज अगेन दैट मोटर शो वाली एस्टन मार्टिन. Porsche वेरी नाइस. दुबई पुलिस एवेंटर, दिस केम आउट इन दैट. इसका एक पूरा पैक आया था, 5 गाड़ियों का सेट आया था जिसमें कि पुलिस कार्स मिलती थी. सेंटेनारियो, सो गुड वंस, ग्रेट कलेक्शन. दिलजीत ऑक्सिक आर्टिस्ट है भाई. इनका भी वही पिछले साल और इस साल का मिला के साइबर ट्रक, नई वाली मर्सिडीज, नई वाली जो है गॉर्डन मरी, पुरानी पिछले साल की फोर्ड GT R33 इस साल की है या इस साल की है शायद Audi. I'm just getting a little confused there. Liberty Walk GTR, so yeah, nice ones. Then we've got Suhail, standard. He's got this Cyberpunk, very nice. Cyberpunk is quite good. ये जो brown वाली Defender 90 है, या फिर ये जो custom Mustang GT है, custom Ford Mustang GT, the Chevrolet, the TH which I am missing. देवांग भाई का आया है, and he also has got a crazy collection. इन्होंने भी मुझे भेजा है अपने collection का. I'll just quickly show it to you guys. Basically, he's got a lot of mini GTs. Okay, so मैं हैव टू जस्ट जूम इट एंड शो इट यू गाइस. ये देखो सारी R35 ऐसे लाइन से लगी हुई हैं, जैसे ये पिंक रेड ऐसे करके. इफ़ पॉसिबल आई जस्ट ट्राई टू शो यू गाइस. एक मैं अटैच कर दूंगा ताकि आप देख सको कि क्या है ये. बट हाँ मतलब काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त कलेक्शन है भाई. मिनी GT वगैरह तो क्रेजी लेवल का. साइरस मॉइस्ट, आई कैन सी सम गुड वंस हियर. आई कैन सी द मासेराटी, द न्यू वन. आई कैन सी व्हाट इज दिस, द पोर्शा. आई कैन सी द द RWB. या वेरी नाइस, वेरी क्लासी कलेक्शन. हेयर ऑल्सो एक्चुअली भाई वीडियो में तो अगर स्क्रीनशॉट लो ना तो और बेकार हो जाता है, वो पूरा ब्लरी सा हो जाता है. बट आई कैन सी दिस, आई कैन सी द डिफेंडर टीम ट्रांसपोर्ट सेट. ही इज गॉट अ मैट हियर ऑल्सो. द कॉर्वेट, आई थिंक दिस इज अ मैजोरेट की जिमनी. अच्छी है भाई. पॉकेट पिस्टन गराज, नाइस वंस, टून्ड वंस हियर, a few loose ones, the Renault Espace and all, the Land Rover Defender. This is I think Majorette, Jeep Wrangler, the new GR86. Then over here we've got the Acura NSX, BMW, Mercedes, Ultra Hots, very nice. Oh man, now we've got a heavy hitter over here. Double Malt Papi, he's just shared his Ferraris and crazy Ferraris. You check it out, you've got 599 GTB Fiorano, F430 Scuderia, we've got the F355 Berlinetta, Enzo Ferrari 599 GTB. Man, this is such a crazy collection. Enzo Ferrari Gold Chrome 250 LM FXX F50, गजब भाई गजब, क्या कलेक्शन है. not Ish Babaria. Okay, this is actually a great set man. What a classy guy he is. You check this out, what a great set. Even I had this set that time. ये जब set आया था तो पहली बात होगी he is a lot younger, तो मतलब वेरी क्लासी गाई. उसको उस टाइम पे मालूम था कि ये सेट क्या चीज़ है. 5 साल के आसपास पहले आया था ये, तो मंगाना भी इतना आसान नहीं था उस टाइम पे मंगाया था. एंड इनफैक्ट इज गॉट दिस वन ऑल्सो, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट सेट. दिस इज द सर्किट लेजेंड्स. अभी आप सर्किट लेजेंड्स का इतना पागलपन देख रहे हो ना, उस जमाने में सर्किट लेजेंड्स आया था. सो these are actually sets which I also got. I got the circuit legends, I got Euro Speed. अभी भी आप देखोगे Euro Speed ही आया है जिसमें आपकी ला फरारी, बुगाटी, बोलाइट ये सब आई हैं. Over here we've got the Lamborghini Veneno, the film strip वाला जो पुराना रेट्रो एंटरटेनमेंट का पैकेजिंग था, ये आया था. You've got the Formula Drift वाली Silvia, and over here we've got some nice main lines. इतने अच्छे देख लिए उसके बाद मज़ा नहीं आने वाला है. वरुण विश, he has shared some good ones. I can see some nice Tomica Lambos over here, the Optimus Prime over here. Okay, we've got the R33 GTR, we've got McLaren 720S, we've got some nice main lines. Okay, this Mercedes, it had its STH also, so that is nice. It never came to India, so it must be imported. Majorette का ये limited edition gift pack. Zamac वाला ये box set इंडिया में आया था, not many people know about it. D Positive, he's got some nice ones. I can see the McLaren Solus GT, a couple of Porsche 904s, the 911 Rallye, Bumblebee, very nice. Car models Farshid. Okay, very cool ones, brother. I am at my wits end. I'm not really sure what is the manufacturer, but it looks like a premium one. Maybe these American ones like Auto World, Johnny Lightning or something. Faz Sharif has also shared some of the main lines. भाई आपने तो इतने अच्छे अच्छे दिखा दिए, main lines दिखा के क्या करना है? वही अच्छे अच्छे हैं, but ठीक है, इनकी तो इतनी सारी देख ली है हमने की. And he shared this one also. This is the RWB. If you know, you know. And he shared this one also. Okay, wow, the boxed Optimus Prime Transformers, very cool, very cool. Oh wow, he's got this one also, the double pack, the Ferrari double pack. You check this out. This is the 312p, and then you've got the 499p modificata. Very nice shiny paint in this, and these ones also. NFT garage, amazing man. I'm really impressed. Great collection. इंडिया में इस लेवल का कलेक्शन बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. ओ वाओ, और अभी मतलब तारीफ की इतने पुल बांध दिए तो अभी और भी है. सो या दिस इज जस्ट लाइक एडिंग ऑन. ग्रेट, व्हाट अ वंडरफुल कलेक्शन. मतलब ही इज रियली मेकिंग द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट कि हाँ अभी ऐसा मिला है. इफ आई कैन ऐड माय स्टोरीज I'll go all out. Great, thank you so much Faz. Esteman, thank you for sharing bro. This looks like a nice Enzo, and if you look at it closely, कार्बन की वीविंग दिख रही है इसमें, तो ये काफ़ी कोई प्रीमियम मॉडल है. प्लास्टिक इंसर्ट्स वगैरह भी हैं. कौन सा है मेरे को नहीं पता है भाई. आजकल इतने सारे ब्रांड्स इतनी सारी गाड़ियाँ बना रहे हैं, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है ट्रैक रखना, खास करके प्रीमियम में. देन वी हैव गॉट व्हाट इज दिस NPS 077. द पैटर्न इज ऑब्वियस. यस ब्रदर, इट इज डेफिनेटली ऑब्वियस. बुल यहाँ पे बना भी हुआ है, सारे इनके पास बुल्स हैं. यू गॉट दिस स्केल, देखो स्केल यहाँ देखने वाला है. इज गॉट ऑल ऑफ दीस बिग स्केल वंस. इज गॉट द Countach, देन इज गॉट व्हाट दिस इज Zonda F, तो समथिंग डिफरेंट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इज द Veneno. काफी सारी इनके पास ये लैम्बोज हैं, तो दैट इज नाइस. अनदर ग्रेट थीम्ड कलेक्शन, फियर्स वुल्फीज डाइकास्ट. ये भी बहुत जबरदस्त है भाई, और मतलब ये सारे कस्टमाइज्ड हैं. लेवल ऑफ डिटेल देखो, सुपरा के दरवाजे ऊपर खुल रहे हैं, सीजर डोर्स, मॉडिफिकेशन का भी मतलब एकदम लिमिट क्रॉस्ड, और हर गाड़ी का हुड खुल रहा है. इंजन में भी डिटेलिंग की हुई है. ग्रेट डायरामा सेटअप, ग्रेट कार मॉडिफिकेशन. लव दिस सेट. HW Moz, ओके, अनदर वन. सो गुड टू सी दिस वर्ल्ड वन. आई थिंक ही इज अ फॉरेन गाय बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ कार्स विच ही हैज. ये हो जाता है अगर आप फॉरेन वगैरह में रहो ना, तो RLC वगैरह भी, मेंबरशिप वगैरह, मतलब उतना वो मुश्किल नहीं होता है. आपके कलेक्शन में एक दो कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाएंगी, किसी से ट्रेड कर लोगे, कुछ कर लोगे. अब जैसे इसको मैं जूम कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरे को जमैक लग रही है. वैसे भी ये देखो गारंटीड फॉर लाइफ लिखा हुआ है ना उसमें, तो हाँ इंटरनेशनली लग रहे हैं ये. बट काफ़ी बढ़िया कलेक्शन है भाई इंटरनेशनल के हिसाब से भी. देखो मिनी GT है, टारमैक है, हॉट व्हील्स के भी अच्छे अच्छे वाले हैं. बढ़िया कलेक्शन है. यही सब देख के आपको ऐसा मतलब एक टाइम पे तो लगता है भाई कि कितना भी कर लो, वो लेवल बनाना इंडिया में काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है. लाइक यू हैव टू स्पेंड क्रेजी अमाउंट्स ऑफ मनी टू जस्ट इवन गेट टू द बेस. यून्स ट्रूनो. So I am seeing a lot of international entries. Suzuki's S2000, another Fast and Furious themed one. So nice, love it. It's Nikhil Kumar 17. Thanks for sharing, bro. Motor Show. Then we've got the McLaren P1 R33, F1 GTR. Not the F1 GTR actually, only the F1. Toyota Supra, Bugatti Chiron, Land Rover. So very nice ones. Another international entry. This is from Eric Cars Mini Carcane. God, that's a difficult name. Carcane Works. तो इन्होंने मतलब बेसिकली अपनी गाड़ियों को मॉडिफाई करके उसमें लाइट वगैरह लगा रखा है. आपने ऐसी देखी है क्या? आप बताना मेरे को कमेंट करके. गायका सेम ने भी डाला है. दिस लुक लाइक हाईली डिटेल्ड 1:43 स्केल मॉडल्स. इसमें देखो सर्टिफिकेशन भी है, सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी वगैरह. एंड ही लुक्स टू बी अ कोनिग्सेक कलेक्टर, तो वही उसका ही उन्होंने एक ऐसा बना रखा है. नाइस, वेरी मिनिमलिस्टिक एंड गुड. जो पसंद है उसका एक बना लिया. डीवी कलेक्शन ने भी डाला है. डीवी कलेक्शन ने क्या डाला है? ऑल ओपनिंग पार्ट्स वाली कोई तो 1:18 स्केल मॉडल है. अब इसका लोगो मुझे ढंग से दिख नहीं रहा है. ये तो आपकी वो है. दिस आई हैव गॉट राइट हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ, यहीं पे रखी हुई है. दिस इज दैट बुगाटी शिरॉन माइस्ट्रो की, तो ये तो काफी अच्छी है. एंड दिस इज द लेगो फरारी F1. So great to see a lot of international entries also. Sam W Wong, he shared this and I had to ask him कि भाई ये क्या डाले, वो मेरे समझ के बाहर है. एंड देन ही रिप्लाइड. अब क्या रिप्लाई किया था मेरे को देख के बताना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट वॉज समथिंग सो स्पेसिफिक कि मैं भूल भी गया. ओके, सो सैम्पलिंग के लिए जो अपनी फैब्रिक को काट के रखते हैं वही होता है ये. मे बी ही वर्क्स विद दैट, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर. मे बी इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक अ रैंडम वन, बट ही शेयर्ड इट एंड आई हैड टू आस्क कि भाई ये क्या है. 1/8 scale. Oh wow, so this is a crazy 1:18 scale collection. Mercedes, the American cars. Over here we've got the JDMs. My goodness, crazy collection man. 1:18 scale. Mercedes, you check this out. Mercedes बहुत 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 बढ़िया. BMW देखो इधर साइड में लाइन से, ज़बरदस्त. Lil 911 Carrera, he's also shared it. Old pic of course. येलो ऑरेंज ऐसे ब्लू करके लगा रखा है. आई कैन सी अ कपल ऑफ नाइस वंस. आई कैन सी द यूनिमॉग, बम्बलबी, निसान 300 ZX, पजीरो. फॉक्स टू डू गराज शेयर्ड अ लिटिल बिट मोर. मिनी GT, बिग एंड स्मॉल स्केल बाइक्स. लुक्स लाइक अ 1:18 स्केल. Ford GT, FXX, सेंटेनारियो. ये वाला स्केल थोड़ा ऑड लग रहा है क्या? आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर, बट हाँ मतलब ये म्यूरा. Yash 46 has shared some of the nice ones. He's got this Ferrari F40, he's got the McLaren Speedtail, Land Rover Defender 90, Mercedes F1 car. Then we've got Texter's Den, very nice ones again, very nice main lines as we've seen a lot of this time. The Bumblebee, Ford GT40, R33, Porsche Carrera, Tesla, Ford GT, फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस के हैं कुछ ऊपर में, इसको मैं कैसे मिस कर सकता हूँ ऊपर मस्टैंग वाले भी हैं, सो दीज आर क्वाइट नाइस. starsandcars.in, so nice collection. I can see the Mercedes over here, Mercedes with the opening hood, then and now GTRs parked together, couple of, you got a Porsche over here, NSX over here. The 64 scaler has shared a couple of Defenders with a real Defender, nice one, love it. And finally Dreaming Diecast has shared a great one to end it off. Over here we've got a great lineup of these premium ones. We've got the new Mini GT, Jaguar CX-75, Roxy, Porsche 911, the new Bentley, new Top Secret, Supra. You've got the McLaren F1, the Jägermeister BMW M3, Kaido, BBR SP3 Daytona. Then we've got this, the GCD big truck, the big hauler with a full load. Then we've got Circuit Legends, Formula 1 5-pack. Formula 1 5-pack along with the Williams, the Red Bull and the Mercedes. So this is pretty much it, guys. Long video. If you are here till the end, I hope your submission was a part of this. Not really left with a lot of energy to add a lot of things from my end, because anyway I wanted to do this in one shot, otherwise it would have never been completed. The love and support is really what keeps me going. ठीक है, अगर मैंने आपको ये ऑप्शन दिया कि हाँ आप मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हो, भाई 150 से ज़्यादा लोगों ने तो सिर्फ इस पे चढ़ाया. I'll just zoom in here, you check this out, 163 164 प्लस तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इधर है. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव गॉट द पर्सनल एंट्रीज, जिसको मैं बोला भाई उसको बाद में डील किया जाएगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, इट्स बीन अ रियल प्लेजर एंड इट्स सो गुड टू सी कि किस तरीके से, मतलब ये इतना एक बढ़िया एक्सरसाइज होता है ना. आई रेयरली गेट द टाइम टू डू दिस, इसलिए मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि अगली बार करूंगा कि नहीं करूंगा कहना मुश्किल है, बट हाँ इससे इतना अच्छा होता है. किसके कलेक्शन में कौन सी गाड़ी है, डिस्प्ले करने का क्या स्टाइल है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों का अच्छा आइडिया लगता है. इसमें से आपका फेवरेट कौन सा था, किसका कलेक्शन आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, या किसके कलेक्शन में से क्या अच्छा लगा, वो सब आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना. शायद आदमी का नाम नहीं याद रहे तो आप गाड़ी का नाम कमेंट करके बताना. और अगर आप इस वीडियो में हो, आपके कलेक्शन को फीचर किया गया है, तो आप एक कमेंट ज़रूर डालना कि कैसा लगा आपको, अगला परचेज क्या रहने वाला है, हाल में लेटेस्ट क्या लिया है, सब कुछ आप कमेंट करके बताओ. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू. अब जैसे एक चीज़ मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, इसके बारे में बाद में भी एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा, बट इसमें आप देखो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, पूरे वीडियो में बस एक ही बात रटते आया हूँ कि पिछले साल की गाड़ियाँ सबके पास हैं. तो स्कैल्पिंग वगैरह सब बात अपनी जगह पे होती है, बट अगर सप्लाई चेन भी एक सेकंड के लिए अगर फोकस हो जाए ढंग से, तो एक प्रॉब्लम आपका सॉर्टेड रहता है कि ठीक है यार 10 दुकान पे आ रहा है, शायद 2 से स्कैल्प हो जाए, 2 से मिलने का चांस है, 1 से मिलने का चांस है. तो आप देखो 150 आदमी में से कितने लोगों ने शेयर किया है. मतलब रैंडम मैं कोई एक ऐसे इमेज पे डालूंगा, इसमें से आप देखो यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे जूम करूंगा, ये देखो 2 बीटल, ये बम्बल बी वगैरह निकल रही है पिछले साल की. तो अगर सप्लाई वगैरह ढंग से रहेगा तो भाई मिलेगी लोगों को गाड़ियाँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई भी कितना क्या है स्कैल्प कर लेगा. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें, इन सब के बारे में बाद में बात किया जाएगा. अभी तो हमारा टारगेट यही है कि थ्रू दीज थिंग्स वी एक्चुअली शो कि इंडिया में क्या पोटेंशियल है, और लेट्स होप दिस गोज अ लॉट फर्दर. अभी हाल में सिचुएशन सुधरा है इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, बट नॉट इन द क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. तो वो सब भी देखना पड़ेगा. बाकी आप देखो, बताओ आपका कैसा चल रहा है कलेक्शन, कुछ लिया क्या किया, सब आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ. होप यू लाइक दिस. मेहनत तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लगी है इसमें, कमेंट करके बताना. थैंक यू.